What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be about replacing the rear bumper support, and we'll also show video of the new tires and wheels being put back on. And I explain everything that happened with the tires. The tires ended up not being the ones I thought I was going to get originally. I'll explain that later in the video when I do. Let's not waste any more time and let's get started. Alright, so this morning we're going to work on, I'm going to get this back bumper off again, and we're going to work on changing out this rear bumper support that's under here. It's all rusted and stuff. We've got to do it because the mounts for the exhaust, one of them's good, but the other one's gone, rusted out. So I gotta get this changed out so that way I can get the mounts redone. I've got a replacement that I got at the salvage yard the other day. So it's off a yellow one, but I'm not worried about it. You can't see it, so it's no big deal. I apologize for the thunder in the background. We're having a thunderstorm here right now. That was a big clap of thunder. I got the garage door open to get some air in here, so we're gonna get started on this and see what's going on. going on, everyone?
Hi.
Today we're going to take the wheels off the Mustang so I can take them up tomorrow and get the new tires put on. So we're going to do a little video of her helping put the take the wheels off, and we're going to put them in the back of the truck and we'll take them up. So let's get started. After loose, we'll go ahead and get under the car, jack the car up, so that way we can loosen them all the way and take the wheels off and put them in the back of the truck. What's going on, everyone? I'm trying out my new camera. We're gonna see how good this video is with this thing. I think it's a Sony HX80. It's a lower priced alternative to the Canon G7X. So we're gonna try it out, see how it works. I'm hoping it takes some good video. What I'm gonna start with today is we got the back tires put on yesterday. They had to order the back tires, so I had to wait, and so they came in. I went in, got the back tires put on, and I'm actually impressed. I think these are going to be good tires. They're Yokohamas. I don't know if in the other video, I don't know if I said the story of what happened. Okay, so I went up to Discount Tire. I'd ordered the tires online, ordered some Milestars. I needed a lower budget tire. This car is not going to be used on the track or anything like that. It didn't have to be really sticky rubber. But anyway, I went in, I ordered these tires, I went in, and I guess they didn't have them. So the guy at the counter worked with me on some different tires. He asked if I'd be okay with trying something new, or trying something different. So I said, okay, yeah, let's try something else, whatever. If we can get a good deal on them. So he gave me a really good deal. I highly recommend Discount Tire. I mean, I've always had good experience with them. But anyway, he gave me a good deal on some Yokohamas. Let me see, where are they at? Let's see, so I got Yokohamas. It's all the same tire, but they're Yokohama Advanced Sport ASs. So you see, there's the Advanced Sport AS, and on the front tires, I went with, what was it? A 275 35 18. On the back tires, I went with the 285 35/18. It had a 295 on it, but 295s they're significantly more expensive than 285s. And so I'm gonna throw these tires on the car real quick. Then I'm gonna take it for a test drive around the block and see how they feel. These lug nuts are trash. I mean, all the paint's coming off on. Look at that. Like literally, this is the second time I put these on the car. I don't know what's going on with these. But anyway, I'm gonna find some better black lug nuts, but these are not that good. All right, let's take this thing for a test drive and see how it rides with these tires. Try to make sure I don't hit my trash cans on the way out. Get out of here. All right, let's roll. Oh, my gloves flew off. Crap. Oh well. I'll pick it up on the way back. All the loud road noise is gone from those old tires, which I knew it would be. Man, these things must be sticky. It's picking up every piece of dirt you can possibly hear. It's feeling pretty good though. I like these tires so far. I mean, obviously haven't done any highway driving with them yet, but I feel like they feel smooth. That's a huge plus, because this thing was riding rough, but I figured it was probably the tires. The plan is to get some lowering springs, and then probably I'll change the shocks and struts. So we'll once we get the lowering springs, we'll address all that. But I feel like it doesn't ride too bad right now. I mean, man, that exhaust sounds pretty good. Test drive went good. The new tires feel good. I'm glad I went with the Yokohamas. I think the other ones probably wouldn't have been bad. I mean, one of Tara's other vehicles, we put Milestars on them, and they weren't bad tires. But I don't know how long they would have lasted versus these Yokohamas. I looked up reviews on them, and the reviews came out, they were really good. I mean, he got a lot of people, even some people with them on Mustangs, they were really impressed with the way they felt and said they were a really good tire. As far as everything else goes on the car, we still have to fix all this damage here. As we said, as I've said before, there's definitely been some Bondo done on the back of this car before, so it's been wrecked before. what else do we have? Let's see. The bumper's got to come back off so I can put the front support and the foam support in. And the fender has to be refit, repainted, so that has to be done. And then I have this little piece down here, this little ground effects piece that goes right here. That has to be put back on. And also, the intake manifold has to be replaced, which I have sitting in that box right there. I'm gonna do that probably in here pretty quickly. Anyway, all right, well, test drive's good, new tires feel good, so we'll see you later. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos that are coming about this Mustang. We still got some body work to do, and we still got some paint work to do. Also hit the little bell so that way you can keep informed on when we put new videos up. Please follow us on Instagram. The link will be right here. Thank you again, and I hope everyone has a good day.
I didn't see that, but what if we got that on camera?
We probably did. I bet you the ring got it. Let me have my phone, I'll tell you if it did. I bet you the ring got it.